children. In this video, we're going to be looking at possessive pronouns. This is a short follow-up video to the pronouns YouTube video that is already on and that you've probably watched. And we'll go through what pronouns are again, and we'll go on to possessive pronouns. Okay, so first of all, this is a bit of a recap. What is a pronoun? So remember, pronouns are used to replace nouns. They are used to avoid repeating the same word over and over again. So in this example, we've got Jane went to school and she went to school. So we can replace the noun Jane with the pronoun she. So if you were writing a story about a character called Jane, you wouldn't keep writing the noun Jane, Jane, Jane. You would put she or her. Okay. So, what is a possessive pronoun? Pronouns like mine, yours, hers, his, ours, its, and theirs are called possessive pronouns. Like all pronouns, they replace nouns and they show who owns something. Okay, so for example, Joe is not enjoying his reading book. So it's his. So possessive means when you own something, something belongs to you, remember, okay? So it's his reading book, it belongs to Joe. This is important to remember. Possessive pronouns do not need an apostrophe. So that's what an apostrophe looks like. We all should know that. We haven't got an apostrophe before or after the S in any of these possessive pronouns, okay? So remember that. So, add the correct possessive pronoun to this piece of writing. So, Jake didn't want to share his sweets. He cried, "These are something and you can't have any." Susie wanted one of something because she didn't have any. She replied, "Mum said the sweets are for both of us. They are something, not just something." So if you're not sure, look at the beginning of this video. I came up with a few examples of some possessive pronouns. Okay, like mine, yours, hers, his, ours, its, and theirs. They're all possessive pronouns. So could you fit some possessive pronouns into those gaps? Okay, so pause this video, see if you can have a little go, and then we'll have a look at how you got on in a moment. Right, so hopefully you had a little go at that. So we've got Jake didn't want to share his sweets. He cried, "These are mine and you can't have any." Susie wanted one of his because she didn't have any. She replied, "Mum said the sweets are for both of us. They are ours, not just yours." Now, these kinds of words, we use them all the time in our writing, but we didn't probably notice that in particular that they were possessive pronouns, meaning that they're belonging words, belonging pronouns. Okay, so you're going to be the teacher here. So can you write these sentences correctly? So replace the incorrect possessive pronoun. So don't touch that. It's mine bicycle, not your. I lost mine tennis match, but my friends all won hers. So think. These sentences don't make sense. They've got more than one incorrect possessive pronoun in them. So have a go now at replacing them. So pause the video, have a little go, and we'll go through the answers in a moment. Right, hopefully you've had a little go at that. So how did you get on? Did you get them? Don't touch that. It's my bicycle, not yours. So my and yours being the pronouns. I lost my tennis match, but my friends won all theirs. Okay, because it's about the friends winning, isn't it? Theirs. Okay, so hopefully you'll be a bit more confident at using possessive pronouns in class, and in your home learning pack you will have some pronoun work, and there will be a few little examples of possessive pronouns that you can have a go at now.